Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LHT. After a long time I'm back, and today I'm gonna finish these earrings with resin and butterfly wings. I'll cast butterfly wings with resin. These are wings of a dead butterfly which I found in our garden yet. So I decided to complete this earring with resin casting with butterfly wings. Hope it'll look good. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll cut this wing in a round shape like this for both earrings. This is completely round, and now I'll mix the resin and hardener. This is clear casting resin. This is 2:1 ratio resin. 2 part is resin and 1 part is hardener. And mixing well. After mixing, just pour a little amount of resin on top of this base and spread it thoroughly, and after that stick this round shape butterfly wings. Again apply a little amount of resin. Then a little piece of butterfly wings again, and the last coat of resin on top of this. Same thing with another one. Resin, stick the wing, apply another coat of resin, and then a little piece of wing. This is a very delicate wing, so you have to do it very carefully. Clean the excess resin. And let it dry for a couple of hours in direct sunlight. After it completely dry out, it's really look very good. Previously there is a plastic thing on top of this thing, so I removed that and I apply resin and these butterfly wings, and it's really look very nice. Now I attach this bottom part with these two little round shape thing. This is very simple. Only for these two rings, small ring, and it's done. And same thing with another one. So it's completely done, and it's really look awesome. So thank you guys, hope you like this earring casting with resin and butterfly wings. Thanks for watching, and give a like if you like this video, and do subscribe for more interesting video like this. Till then, thanks for watching and see you next time.